welcome to the Christmas edition of Get On Your Mat Monday. My name is Devon and I will be guiding you through today's short detox flow practice. If you're like me, a big part of the holidays can be too much socializing, too much eating, too many drinks, and you start to feel kind of yucky. So this practice will help you move your body, encourage some detoxification through the internal organs, and keep you in your best shape for the holiday season so you can enjoy all of the special activities with family and friends. Let's get started. It might be helpful to have two blocks. So mine are just at the end of the mat, ready to reach for. And we're going to begin on our backs. So roll down onto your back in a comfortable position. Just take a moment to check in with yourself here. How are you feeling today? This might be the first time that you've paused and actually asked yourself just how you're doing during this busy season. Take a moment to listen to the answer. Draw a deep inhale breath through the nose. A complete exhale through the mouth. Another one just like that, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Take the deepest breath you've drawn today so far. For the remainder of our practice, we'll breathe in and out through the nose, as long as that's comfortable for you. Draw the knees into the chest. Give them a squeeze. Gentle rock from side to side. Maybe some circles around the base of the spine. Gentle massage. Extend the arms to the side. Use the right hand to guide both knees over to rest on the floor. Now, if the floor seems really far away, or you find that your lower body's just hanging out in space, know that you can always support beneath the knee or between the knees with a block. If you'd like to deepen your twist, take the gaze over to the other side of the mat. 3 breaths here. Take the twist to the other side. Three breaths here. Roll back to center. Extend the arms and legs towards the ceiling. You can take a bend in the knees and the elbows so you can keep them extended without a whole lot of effort. Begin to circle the wrists and the ankles. Change direction. And make your way to a comfortable seated position. Ground down into the sitting bones, find a comfortable seat. Draw an inhale breath, feel the spine lengthen, roll the shoulders back. Spider the fingertips into the mat. On the inhale breath, sweep the other arm overhead. Exhale breath, flow to the other side. Moving with the breath. On the next in-breath, reach both arms overhead, grow tall, and on the out-breath, take a gentle twist to the side. Inhale to lengthen. On the exhale, gather in the belly, twist a little deeper. Continue to breathe while you're here. On the next inhale, return to center. Exhale, take the twist to the other side. Inhale, grow tall through the spine. Exhale, breath to twist. Maybe the gaze comes over the shoulder. Twists are a really important part of a detoxifying yoga practice. Think of them as a way of kind of wringing out your insides and getting things moving again. They're also very healthy for the spine. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, release the hands. Roll over the knees. Make your way to all fours. Spread the fingers wide. Bring the shoulders over the wrists. Knees beneath the hips. Soften the belly. Guide the chest between the biceps, maybe lift the gaze. Exhale breath, press into the hands, round the spine, angry cat. Inhale breath, flow forward, soften through the belly, cow belly. Move with the breath between these shapes. If it feels good, you can add in some additional movements like hip circles, swaying from side to side. When that feels complete in the body, touch the big toes together, take the knees wide, press the sitting bones back towards the feet, and find child's pose. If it's not comfortable for your forehead to rest on the mat, know that you can always stack the palms or reach for a block to support beneath the forehead. Press into the hands, tuck the toes, and on the exhale breath, send the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Take a gentle bend in the knees, pedal out the legs. Spread the fingers wide on the mat. Let the head and neck hang heavily. Nod the head yes. Shake the head no. Step the right foot forward between the hands. Press strongly into the left hand, and on the inhale breath, find a revolved lunge. Reach the right hand towards the ceiling. If it's comfortable for you, you can keep the back knee lifted. Otherwise, know that you can always release it towards the mat. Exhale breath, lower the hand. Release the knee towards the mat. Breathe in. Reach the fingertips overhead. Draw back with the right hip. Press forward with the left. Soften the shoulders. On the exhale, hands come down to frame the foot. Step back to downward facing dog. If you'd like to take a vinyasa, go right ahead and flow. Otherwise, you might pause for a couple of restorative breaths here or find a child's pose. When you're ready, step forward with the left foot. Press strongly into the right hand. Sweep the left hand open to the ceiling. You might lift the hips and the bum a little higher. Get bendy here if it feels good in the body. On the exhale, bring the hand down to frame the foot. Release the back knee to the mat. Inhale. Release the hands to the mat. Tuck the back toes, step forward. You'll find yourself in a forward fold. Take a generous bend through the knees. Shift the weight slightly into the toes. On the next exhale breath, gather in the belly, fold a little deeper. Might feel nice to bring the hands to the back of the calves. Use that as leverage to draw yourself deeper into this shape. Release the fingertips to the mat. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale to fold. Inhale breath, reach the arms overhead. Exhale breath, bring the hands to heart. Inhale, reach the arms. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale to fold. Plant the hands. Step back with the right foot. Tuck the toes. Squeeze the thighs towards the midline when you feel nice and stable. Inhale. Reach the arms overhead. Know that it's always an option to release the back knee towards the mat. On the next exhale, bring the hands to the heart. Inhale. And on this out breath, take a gentle twist towards the inner thigh. So guide the right elbow across to the outside of the left thigh. Press the palms together. Inhale to lengthen through the spine. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Inhale back to center. Exhale, hands come down to the mat. Step back to downward facing dog. Option to take a vinyasa here. On the in-breath, step the right foot forward. When you feel stable, reach the arms overhead to find a high lunge. Hands come to heart. Inhale. And on the exhale, guide the left elbow across to find a prayer twist here. Back leg is strong. Press the palms together to inhale. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Inhale back to center. Exhale to release the hands. Step to the top of the mat. Inhale, lengthen the spine, flat back. Exhale to fold. Inhale, reach the arms overhead. Exhale, bring the hands to heart. And that concludes our holiday detox flow for today's edition of Get on Your Mat Monday. If you'd like to lengthen this practice, I recommend adding on another episode of Get on Your Mat Monday, maybe one of my yin practices for a nice gentle ending to this practice. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you like it and share it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Namaste.